Welcome back to Ramrod. We are back here and we are going to shove the big block into the muscle truck. Also, comment below, I need to know a name for old muscle truck. We got Big Red out back with the badass Cummins that's going into it. She's already named, it's always been her name, but old muscle truck, you know, Fasty the Turtle, like I don't know what to call her, man. Look at her. She's just like so sad. She just wants a name, you know. She just wants a name. So let me know, guys, what you think of a name. We're putting this bad boy in there today or tonight. It's tonight, and we'll get to it. Little specs on this is just this started as a 454. It's now a big boy. It's a 496 with a Holley Terminator system onto it, Edelbrock heads. I think it's a comp cam that's in it. I forget the spec on it. It makes pretty good power. I think it's like 650 or I think it's 600 horse, 650 torque. It's a pretty good towing machine. So this is what originally was in Big Red. The Cummins is what's replacing this. So this is a pretty solid machine. Definitely gonna be great for burnouts, for sure. It might end up getting a supercharger though at some point. I feel like it needs some kind of power out of it right here. Or we do like old Jack Sam Ginny, throw some nitrous here. And she's gonna be fast. She's gonna be fast. We'll get to it and I will show you guys me putting this behemoth into there. You shall see this right about, yeah. So, we almost got it. This thing is a pain in the ass. I remember last time, this thing was a pain in my ass when we put it in Big Red. For some reason, 496 hates stock GM motor mounts. So, I'll show you, as you probably saw in the time lapse, this motor mount right in here, that bad boy, that one's on. Struggled a little bit, got it on, picked it, everything. This one though down here, right down there, show you the light. That one will not go on. As you can see, blood everywhere. Skinned my knuckles a few damn times. So, other than boring you guys with a time lapse that's going absolutely nowhere, I'll get back to you when I get the bolted. So we're back. That was a struggle. What a pain in the ass. As you can see, the bolt is in. Finally, took long. It took about like 25 minutes of wheeling the damn thing around to get the thing in. Both the bolts are in. Now we're going to get the beautiful 4L80. Look at this thing. This is gonna go in there. Then the powertrain will be bolted up together. Let's get that trans in. Let's get this done. Let's get on it. So guys, do not try and do this on the goddamn ground. As you can see, I started that way, and yes, I realize I do have a lift, but the trans mount, or the trans hoist, is buried somewhere. I don't know where it is. It's buried somewhere in the garage. So I had to put this goddamn thing on this jack stand, on this jack. Lift it first, lifted it on this jack. This thing probably weighs close to the Cummins transmission, which is about 200, 250. Way too heavy. So I humped this thing onto there, then lowered the truck down, and then forcefully pushed this into the engine. Way too much work. I'm beat, for sure. It is in, as you can see. The transmission is now in, the 496 is in. We'll have to get some nuts for the 496 for the motor mounts. Next, we are going to tackle the mess of wires in here. I'm most likely just gonna rip it all out and simplify it. You really need, in the Holley system, about 6 wires. It's got its own harness, but you gotta pull out of the red truck. Big red, put it in here, but the rest of the wires will simplify. Take care of that. And get it on. I'm out. Enjoy the rest of your day. See ya!